how to fix Reddit chat not working. So if you've ever tried to send a message but the Reddit chat is not working, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problems. And the next thing is you need to open up your Reddit application. And once you open up your Reddit, now go with the profile option, which is on the upper right. Tap on your profile and then go with settings, which is on the bottom. Once you're on the settings, you need to scroll down and choose an option of clear local history. So you may have that option. You will have that option under advanced. And if you have that option, then simply go with clear local history and then confirm and clear your history. Once you've cleared, your problem might be fixed. And if you don't have that option, or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove the application and then open up your settings, scroll down and choose the apps. Under apps, you need to choose the Reddit application and then go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you may also go with the storage or your mobile storage, and you can clear your storage, because sometimes if you have filled your storage, then you will not be able to send the chats or your device won't work properly. And once you've done that, now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Reddit chat not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.